Let's learn the three essential passing chords that you should know, which you can use. I believe if there's something that you don't know as yet, it should help you. But we're gonna be looking at the three essential passing chords that you can incorporate in your song progression, right? And we are gonna demonstrate this using a simple song. We'll take a simple song first. We'll play the progression of the song, and then from there we'll kind of improve it using these passing chords. It's three of them. We're gonna be using these three passing chords, and let's see how that mixes up with our song progression. We are in the key of C sharp. So we're in the key of C sharp. Alright, so let's take the song. The song that we're gonna take is We Are Halalela, right? Some of us we grew up singing this song. So here's how the song goes. Halalela, ooh yeah, halalela, ooh yeah, halalela, ooh yeah, halalela. Now I'm gonna add the passing chords. Alright, let's see what we use there, right? This was our three passing chords, and we'll break them down, right? We'll start with the first one. So remember, the song progression is just a simple one, basic one, beginner level. 4, 5, right? And you can, if you want, you can just go to 6, 7, 1 again, then the same thing, 4, 5, right? And it can be a little bit, boring for some, but if you want to improve this, then this is what I've added there. So first, you're still going to be on your 5. First, let's break this first one here, right? I'm still on 5, but then now on my right hand, I'm playing F sharp, I'm playing B flat, I'm playing C sharp, I'm playing F sharp, right? In numbers, that is, I'm on 4, I'm on 6 sharp, I'm on 1, I'm on 4, right? I'm using here is slowly. This is our first passing chord that we've used. Then the second one is gonna be this one. So from 5 I go to 1. Now our second one, on my right hand, I'm playing A sharp, I'm playing B flat, I'm playing A sharp again. If you want, you can add the C sharp there. That's for the sake of voicing, right? But yeah, this is your second passing chord. And then on my left hand, I'm just playing 1. So it's just gonna be C sharp, G sharp, and then C sharp again. Right, and in the mass, that is 3, that is sharp 6, that is 1 again, 3. Then the last one, on my left hand, I'm on 4, that is F sharp. And then on my right hand, I'm playing E sharp, I'm playing A sharp, I'm playing C sharp, right? In numbers, that is my 3, and that is my 6, and that is my 1. And this is our last passing chord. So it's gonna be ooh yeah.